Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. I'm coming to you with this massive box, and guess what? Craft Workshop just released six absolutely incredible Color Sparx powders with collaboration of course with awesome, amazing Ken Oliver. And as you know, I am one of their brand ambassadors, and I was lucky enough to get those goodies in this box. This box is exceptionally big compared what I was receiving previously. So I'm just really curious what is inside there. So I'm just gonna get into it, this box, and we'll share these all beauties with you. If you might wish to grab those to your stash and play along with those awesome stuff. So because this box is exceptionally good, big, like I said, I'm gonna just leave it aside, and I will be just bringing stuff one by one, because I just don't literally have enough room on my table. So let's have a sneak peek. Da 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 da. We've got awesome welcome letter. Thank you for sharing your wonderful talent with our Craft Workshop family. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Virginia. Thank you so much, Jamie. Thank you so much, ladies. That's absolutely awesome. Da, 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 da. I'm digging into it. Ah, wow! Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You know what? I'm just literally speechless with all these goodies what I've got here. Oh my gosh, it's so many. Ah, crazy, right? Let me just move the box and I'll start bringing these awesome goodies. So what I've got here, I've got extra gift here. I've got marker pens from Zebra. Really cool rainbow colors. Really nice set of 12. Really cool. Thank you so much for that gift. Awesome, awesome, awesome. What we have here, we've got Craft Workshop refreshment cup. Yay! Cup for soda. Awesome. Look how beautiful it is. It's blue. I love it, love it, love it. Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What else we have? We've got Ken Oliver spray bottle. Isn't that cool? I've seen Ken Oliver working with this bottle, and nozzle when it sprays is absolutely wonderful. It gives that really fine mist to your project when you're working with color-based powders and all. So it's really handy to have it. I'm just trying to adjust my camera so you will be able to see all good. Now, let's just bring those awesome Color Sparx set. So like I said, there is 6 of them, and they absolutely beautifully packed in set of 3. So whatever color palette you will choose, you can create something absolutely wonderful. Look at this one. Isn't it cool? Right? So we've got olive green, yellow ochre, and what else we have? Can't read it at the back. But it's really nice orangey browny color. So it's really cool for example, creating autumn project. We've got this vibrant purple, turquoise, and green in there. We've got, I would call it warm set, orchid, fuchsia, and melrod. Really nice, really cool. Look at this one. I think this is gonna be my favorite because it's green and blue. Really cool. Look at this one. Isn't it cool? I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, I can't wait to try them out. I might have to do some swatches and share with you how they look. Of course, you will be working with watercolor paper with them. Now, the other thing what I want to share with you, this is the extra request what I made to Virginia to top up my stash with mediums because I'm running low. So I've got clear gesso, which is absolutely must have to prime your surface to start working with adding other mediums on top, so it will not sink into your project, it will be nicely moving. I've got gel medium, which is absolutely awesome. You can use it as a glue, you can use it running through your stencil, creating a beautiful texture, and you can also mix it with, for example, Color Sparx. You can mix it with Craft to Workshop heavy body acrylic paints as well to create colourful texture. So this is absolutely awesome stuff. And of course I've got matte gel medium, which is also really handy, really good to have into your project, in your stash, because you can seal it, for example, when you're creating, for example, layers on mixed media project. For example, when you create an let's say art journal, and you've got some elements what you're sticking down with, for example, pieces of paper, this is absolutely wonderful glue. So let's move on. Let's see what else we have here. We've got big bunch of mixed media boards. This is 6 by 6 inches, which is absolutely awesome. They packed in 3, so it's a set of 3 if you wish to purchase them. And look how thick they are. Look how gorgeous. They are really, really sturdy, really, really awesome for your mixed media project. So this one will absolutely wonderfully hold all of your mediums, all of heavy elements. So it's really, really awesome to have. And we also have those mixed media boards in size 12 by 12. So once again, this is only one in the pack, but it's massive. It's absolutely massive. 12 by 12. It's 30.5 centimeters. So it's really good, and it's perfectly fitting with 12 by 12 stencils. So it's really handy to have those as well. Now, of course, when it comes to working with water-based mediums, so like Watercolor Sparx, watercolor powders, it's essential to have a good watercolor paper. And of course, it couldn't be any different. Craft to Workshop has the watercolor paper with collaboration with Ken Oliver. So this watercolor paper is absolutely awesome. On one side, it's really nice and smooth. Here we go. Give you a bit of a close-up. And at the back, it's got a bit of a texture, right? That's what watercolor papers have. And look at the quality of this paper. It's a really nice, sturdy paper. So it will hold your mediums and water and your powders really well. Okay. It's heavyweight paper. Okay, so it's really, really awesome. It's really essential to have. And as an extra request, I wanted to grab a couple of stencils to extend my stash. I thought those stencils are absolutely beautiful, absolutely lovely. This one I've seen in so many projects, and I thought I'm gonna just give it a go, give it a try. And I'm thinking to create a journal page with using this beautiful lady. This one is designed by Kasia Krzymińska. It's a 617 Mini Dream Girl. I absolutely love, love, love this stencil, and I'm gonna give it a go in my art journal soon. I also wanted this awesome face designed by Julie. If you might wish to grab this stencil, the number is 412 Mini Profile. I think it's really cool. This is like a profile face of your girl. You can draw some wavy curly hair, for example. They're just going off the page and whatever. So I think it's really, really nice and handy to have it as well. Okay, so, and of course I have this awesome stickers from Crafter Workshop. Today I will listen with a loving heart to my creative voice. Isn't that cool? I love it. So I hope you like this quick unboxing. I hope you enjoy this goodies, what I've presented you, what you've seen, what you might wish to grab to your stash. Please check out Crafter Workshop website. They've got loads of beautiful stencils available. Many of their products are available in scrapbook.com, so please check their website. And that's it for today. Thank you so much, Crafter Workshop, once again for all my beauties, all my goodies. I can't wait to try them out. So, till the next time, my lovely friends, I'll talk to you super soon. Bye for now.